हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ आर फोर्थ लेक्चर ऑफ द चैप्टर 8. ठीक है. सो इन दिस लेक्चर ऑल्सो वी आर टेकिंग सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड दिस इज़ द लास्ट लेक्चर ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. ओके. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we will start the new topic which is inequalities in a triangle. Okay, those students who have not watched the previous 3 lectures yet, they can watch it in the I button. Okay, so in the first lecture they here given one square. Okay, okay, A B C D E. Okay, so in this question we have to prove that angle ADE is congruent to angle BCE. ठीक है. So in triangle ADE and triangle BCE, AD equals to BC, which is the side of the square, and DE equals to CE, which is the side of the equilateral triangle, and angle ADE equals to angle BCE, because as you all know the angles of the square will be of 90 degree and the angles of the equilateral triangle are of 60 degree. So both of these angles will together form the 150 degree angle. So both angles are equal. So by SAS, triangle ADE congruent to triangle BCE. So okay, by SAS. Okay, this is our first question. Now we are moving towards the second question. In the second question we have given figure AYB okay. So these both lines are equal and these both lines are equal. So in this question we have to prove that AB equals to ZX. Okay, so to prove that we see that the angle BYX equals to angle ZYX, both angle equal to 90 degree. Now we have to add angle AYX on both sides. We have to add angle AYX both side. ठीक है. अब हमने दोनों उसको एंगल को प्लस कर दिया तो ये बन जाएगा एंगल AYB एंड ये बन जाएगा एंगल ZYX. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके. So now in triangle AYB and triangle ZYX. Okay, AY equals to ZY, which is given. AY equal to ZY, which is given, and BY is also equals to XY, which is also given, and the angle AYB is equals to angle ZYX, which we have to prove in this equation number 1. So by SAS criteria, angle AYB is congruent to triangle ZYX, and AB equals to zx which is equals to by cp ct. ओके, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन गाइस, है ना? आपको आई होप क्लियर हो गया होगा। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन और लेते हैं इस चैप्टर का, और इस चैप्टर को फिनिश करते हैं। सॉरी, इस चैप्टर को नहीं, इस टॉपिक को फिनिश करते हैं। फिर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से हम न्यू टॉपिक लेंगे विच इज़ इनइक्वालिटीज इन अ ट्राइंगल। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक। ओके, AB and AD are equal and AC and AE are equal, so we have to prove that BC, okay, right, BC equals to DE, right? So to prove that we have take two triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, we have AB equals to AD which is given, and angle BAC equals to angle BAD plus angle DAC. Okay, now BAD, we write angle EAC at the place of BAD, and angle CAD will copy as it is. It both these angle will together form angle DAE. AC equals to AE which is given, so triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADE by SAS, and BC equals to DE by CPCT. Okay, so okay, now we are taking the fourth question. Okay, चलो एक क्वेश्चन और ले लेते हैं, that one is also important. In this question, okay, so in this question ABC is a triangle, okay, right angle triangle, है ना? इफ़ BCD एक स्क्वायर है, एक BC साइड पे स्क्वायर दे रखा है, एक AC साइड पे स्क्वायर दे रखा है, तो हमें प्रूव करना है कि AD और BF या FB इक्वल है। सो फर्स्ट वी टेक triangle ACD and FCB. In triangle ACD and FCB, okay, in the both of these triangle ACD and FCB, angle ACF, angle ACD equals to 90 plus angle ACD equals to 90 plus angle BCA, okay, and angle FCB equals to 90 plus angle BCA CA. Okay, angle ACD and angle ACD equals to angle FCB. We can equate both of these angle. Okay, from here both of these equal to this, so from here angle ACD will equal to angle FCB. Okay, CA equals to CF, CA equals to CF, same side of the square, and CD equals to CB, same side of the square. Okay, CF equals to CB, CA, and CD equals to BC. Okay, so triangle ACD congruent to triangle FCB by SAS, and AD equals to FB by CPCT. Okay, so these are 4 questions. So today we complete the top questions of this topic. Okay, सो स्टूडेंट्स वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे.